Hello friends, welcome to ehiddenbrain.com. Today we'll see regular expressions. Which is denoted as RE. The short form of regular expression is RE. Declarative way of representing regular language is known as regular expression. Now there will be a regular language which will be accepted by finite automata like deterministic finite automata or NFA or Moore or Mealy machine. If that is the regular language, then we can have a parallel expression or a parallel representation of that regular language, which is known as regular expression. Now regular expression will be having some types. So let's see the types of regular expression. So I will say there are some types of regular expression. There are three types. One is restricted regular expression. I will say restricted. Second is semi-restricted. And third is unrestricted. Okay. Now what is restricted? It depends on how many operators we use. The types are depending on how many operators are there in specific type. So here I will be having the plus as one operator, then I will be having dot also, and then I will be using star operator. So there are three operators I will be using in restricted category. This will be having the lowest priority and the star will be having the highest priority, right? Now semi-restricted is a superset of restricted where plus will be there, dot will be there, star will be there, as well as intersection will be there, intersection symbol will be there. And now unrestricted will be superset of semi-restricted where plus will be there, dot operator will be used, star will be used, intersection will be used, and tilde will be used, which is a complement operation, right? So a lot of operations are possible. Almost all the operations are possible in unrestricted type. Semi-restricted will be having 4 operators and the restricted will be having 3 operators. So that way I will be able to show. So I can say this will be definitely restricted, this will be semi-restricted, and this will be unrestricted regular expressions. Now let's see the language representation using set theory and regular expression. So I will say that language representation using set theory versus regular expression, I can say that. So right. So now let's say the set theory representations of some of the languages. Let's say I don't accept anything. So let's say the first language is phi itself. It means it doesn't accept anything. What will be equivalent regular expression for that? It will be phi again. It will be phi. Now let's say the second language is empty set. It means again nothing will be accepted. Empty language will be accepted here. Then what I will say that yes, a phi is the correct representation of it in the regular expression also. Okay. If there is a language, I can say a zero length language, something like a third a raised to 0, right, which is equals to epsilon. What it means, zero length string of a is epsilon, and in regular expression also we will use epsilon. Okay. Now the fourth language or fourth set, let's say fourth set is AB. So fourth set is AB. Now you can see this, in this language 2 strings are accepted. Either A is accepted or B is accepted. So how to represent in regular expression? A plus B, I can say that. Simply you do that, A plus B. So this is the way of accepting a set of language which consists of 2 strings and both are of same length, A and B. So that way you can accept it. Now the fifth one is, let's say it accepts AB. It accepts only AB. So I can say that this is a singleton set because only one string is accepted, that too starts with A, ends with B, and 2 length string. How to accept in regular expression? That will be accepted in regular expression as A dot B, right? So similar, it is just dot is not there, a dot will be visible in regular expression. Now the sixth set will be, let's say I have something like this. I decided to have A and the infinite number of A's, means this language accept the strings which are of all A's, just A's, right? And those are infinite language, I can say that. Now this infinite language also can be accepted in regular expression, and the regular expression for this is A plus, right? So do remember this. What plus means? Minimum length string possible is 1. So what I will give you hint here. Plus denotes minimum length. So let's write a hint here. Plus denotes minimum length string is 1. Okay. Now let's go for the seventh language. Let's say I accept epsilon also along with all the A's. So epsilon is there, 1 A is there, 2 A's are there, 3 A's are there, and infinite number of A's are there. Now how to represent? It should not be definitely A plus. Now it will be A star. It will be A star. Now here star represent epsilon. Minimum length string possible is 0. I can say here minimum length string is 0, I can say, right? So we understood the difference. Plus denotes the minimum length string is 1 for sure, and star denotes minimum length string can be 0. Right, now let's say I decided to accept the last kind of language. Let's say I decided to accept all types of A's and B, means A comes, B comes, AB comes, BA comes, AAB comes, and like that there are a lot of strings possible, infinite language again. So how I will be accepting this language? Simply I will say that A plus B star, A plus B star. How to read this A plus B star? Star means 0 time you can go inside. So when you have star is equals to 0, when you have star is equals to 0, what you produce? You produce epsilon. Now let's say star is equals to 1. It means is you can go inside one time, and either of these you can select. Means if star is 1, you go inside one time and select either A or B. It means if star is A, it will produce a language A or B. Now if star is 2 means star means I will go inside 2 times. Means first time I will go and I will take A, and next time also I will go and I will take A. Or first time I will go inside and I will take A, and the second time I will go inside and I will take B. And similarly you can have BA, BB like this, right? So these are the languages, and that way star can be infinity. Star can be infinity, and that's why this language is an infinite language. Now let's look at some of the questions. First question says that give regular expression that derives set S, and S consists of 2 ones, then 4 ones, then 6 ones, and like that it's an even number of ones are there, right? Only ones, right? So how to do that? Look here now. What I want is minimum length string possible is 1 1. So yes, 1 1 should be generated. It means minimum length string is not 0. It is at least 1 1 should be generated. Hence I can't use star. If I use 1 1 star, it means I will be able to generate epsilon also, and hence epsilon should not be generated, and hence star should not be valid representation of this regular expression. So instead of star, what I will use is I will use plus here. So 1 1 bracket plus. It means now plus will be used once. If plus denotes at least once, right? So I will go one time inside, and what you will get? You will get 1 1. Now if plus is 2, so plus can be 1, plus can be 2. If plus is 2 means go 2 times inside, means the first time you will go inside you will take 1 1, second time you will go inside you will take again 1 1, and you will append it. Understand, you have to append whatever the previous 1 1 was there, right? So this is the first time you got, this is the second time you got. Now similarly, if 1 is 3, it means 3 times you have to go, and each time you have to take this complete string. So 1 1 will be first time, then next time again 1 1, and then again 1 1. That way you can see that even number of ones will be generated using this regular expression, and hence this is a required regular expression, right? Now if you understood this, let's try to do the same for A's and B's. What it means, including epsilon. So all the strings of A's and B's, always better to draw a language. Epsilon should be accepted, A should be accepted, B should be accepted, A should be accepted, B, B, A, B, like this. All the strings of A's and B's must be accepted. And how to do that? We already done this here. You can see this. It will be A plus B star simply. Why A plus B star? Star can be 0. If star is 0, then epsilon will be generated. If star is 1, you can either select A or B. Yes, you can select either A or B. If star is 2, you can go inside twice, means first time you can select A, second time also you can select A, and then you will get 2A. Similarly, B's and all the strings of A's and B's will be generated, and this is the valid representation or regular expression for the given question. Now similarly, you can think of this. This is very easy if you understood this. Instead of using star, now what I will use is simply I will use A plus B plus. Why plus? I don't want epsilon, so epsilon will not be generated because of plus, and all the strings of A's and B's will be generated, and hence this is the required regular expression. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please put it into the comment section. I will definitely get back to you. Thank you.